Good evening, students. Babu, good evening. Sai, good evening. Snehit, good evening. Chaudhary, good evening. Shivakumar, good evening. Babu, Sai, Snehit, Chaudhary, Shivakumar, all of you, good morning, good evening, good evening. Okay, so today, yes, good evening, Chaudhary, good evening. Now we'll go to, we'll find out the nth term of an AP. Nth term means, see, what do you mean by nth term? Nth term is nothing but, we can call it the other words, last term. See, nth term is equal to, we call it as last term. Last term of the series. Nth term, the other word for this thing is last term. Okay. So, this is interesting, this thing, only very easy, but provided if you understand the basic concepts, it will be very easy for you. But first, concentrate on this. See, formula, this nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. See, this is the formula. A to the power of, or in the other terms also we can call like this, Tn. Instead of an, we can call it as Tn also. But anyway, we keep it as an. So, the formula for the nth term, the last term, we call it, this is as what? Last term. Last term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. See, you know this. A is equal to first term. A is equal to first term. N is equal to number of terms. See, there's a difference. Nth term and this n differs. This is number of terms. Then d is the common difference. D is equal to common difference. By using this, we can solve this problem and we can find out this thing. Even if you don't understand this, it's enough if you know this formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Based on this formula, we will solve the problems. Based on this formula, we will solve the problems. Okay? Yes. See now, watch this problem. Let us see some examples. Find the 10th term of an AP. Find the 10th term of the AP, which is 272. See, we have to find out the 10th term. Clear? What is the 10th term? This is first term, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Likewise, see, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Likewise, etc. They are asking for what will be the 10th term. What will be the 10th term? Okay. What will be the 10th term? You understand this question. So now see how I am solving this problem. See, we know the formula. The 10th term means Tn or An. An formula will see to good. No, it should be 47, Sai. Sai, it's 47. It should be 47. See how I am solving this. Please watch this. See, An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a here? A is 2. See, a is equal to 2. Common difference 7 minus 2, 12 minus 7. That is d is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. You understand? Yes, Babu, 47 is right. Okay, clear. Now I am substituting here. A is 2 plus n minus 1 into n is 10. Clear? this small n will be 10. Small n will be 10. So number of terms small n is equal to 10. Into d is how much? D is 5. So it will be 2 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 5. That is equal to 2 plus 45. That is equal to what? 47. Clear? 2 plus 45 is equal to 47 is the answer. So 10th term will be 47. Sai, can you check this? Chaudhary, Shivakumar, please, do you understand this? Rahul Raj has come. Rahul Raj has come. What's about Lavanya? 2 plus 45 is equal to 47. It should come like this. See how it has worked out. See this. Watch this. Yes, Chaudhary, good, good. Sai, Sai, you gave the answer as 90. It's 47. Can you check and tell me whether it's right? Shivakumar? Okay, okay. Instead of adding 2, multiply. Thank you, Sai. Thank you. Babu, okay. So I shall move to next problem. Clear? Shivakumar, yes, okay. We'll move to the next problem. We'll move to the next problem. See, next problem, which term of the AP 21, see which term of the AP they have given like this: 21, 18, 15, etc. is minus 81. Then also, is any term is equal to 0? They are asking you whether any term is equal to, they have given, see which term of the AP is, which term, here the sum will be like, which term of the AP is 81? They want to know. Likewise, also, is there any term, is there any, in between this term, is there any 0 is there, they're asking. Okay. I'll solve this problem. Okay. I'll see this. We'll put this. See here. This is A is equal to 21. D is equal to what? This minus this. That is 18 minus 21. That is equal to minus. No, 0. We'll try this, Babu. Babu, which term is equal to 0? We'll find out. We'll find out. I'll tell you. See. So minus 3. So D is equal to minus 3. Then A is equal to, and this is what? Minus 81 is what? AN is minus 81. See, now you know the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. See, this is come. Ask him to bring that headphone. So, see here. See, AN only they have given. See here. AN is equal to, this is, they are asking you minus, what is minus? This is AN is equal to minus 81. You know A, will let us substitute here. See, it will be like this. Minus 81 is equal to A is 21 plus, clear, N minus 1 into minus 3. See this step, side, yes, the term is 8, side is right. Babu, 8th term will give you 0. 8th term will give you 0. See, I'm substituting the formula. See, minus 81 is equal to 21 minus 3n. Then minus into minus will be plus 3. Okay? Clear? So, I'll take this 21 plus 3 will become 24. So here see, minus 81 is equal to, see 21 plus 3 will become 24 minus 3n. Then I'm taking this 24 this side. It will be minus 81 minus 24 is equal to minus 3n. Then minus 81 minus 24 will give you minus 105. That is equal to minus 3n. See, cancel this minus minus. Then n is equal to 105 by 3, which will give you what? 35. Yes, Babu, you are right. So n is equal to 35. N is equal to 35. So n is equal to 35. So what does it mean? That means the answer will be here. See, 35th term. 35th term is equal to minus 81. This sum is okay. So what they are asking you, sum is which term will be 0, they are asking you. Okay. So they want to, this an, when will the an want, an is should be equal to 0, they are telling you. Okay, now we'll find out. See, I'll substitute here. An is equal to 0. A is what? 21. A is 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. This will be 21 plus, minus 3n, minus 3 done, then minus 1 plus 3. It will be equal to 21 plus 3 is 24 minus 3n is equal to 0. Okay, so minus 3 I will bring this side, 3n is equal to 24. 3n is equal to 24, or n is equal to 24 by 3. Cancel it, you will get 8. So 8th term will be 0, Babu. Babu, you are right. N you have found out as 35. Then we will find out the an, when the an will be 0. Nth term, the 0 will be. 8th term will be 0. 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 Rahul Raj, 1 minute. I'll finish this and I'll show you the previous problems. Just watch this problem. I will show you the previous problem. Okay, only one sum we have solved. Rahul Raj, only one sum I have solved. I'll just put it, go back. I'll just again, after let them verify it. So n is 8. So 8th term will be 0. 35th term is minus 81. And the nth term, that 8, number of terms 8. 8th term will be 0. 8th term will be 0. See how I have solved it? Sai, it's okay? Yes, term is right. Sai is okay. Good. Yes, Babu, you are right. Sai, okay. What about Shivakumar Snegit? Shivakumar Snegit? Raj, I am going to the previous problem. See this. So, previous problem. Yes. Find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12. See, we are finding out the nth term of AP. See, nth term of AP. Nth term of an AP. I'll write here. Nth term of an AP. So, formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? So, find the 10th term. So, they need the 10th term, means 10 minus 1. Okay, so n is 10, they are saying. So what is here? A is equal to what? A is equal to 2. D is equal to 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. So D is equal to 5 and small n is equal to 10. Okay, Shivakumar, thank you. Snake, thank you. So A is equal to 2, D is equal to 5 and n is equal to 0. Now I will substitute here. Okay, A is 2 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 2 plus 9 into 5, that is equal to 2 plus 45, that is equal to 47. So the 10th term of the AP will be 47. The answer is 47. Raudaj, it's okay. So only one problem only I solved now. It's a previous problem. So previous problem. Rahul Raj, it's okay for you? Rahul Raj, it's okay? Sai, okay? Rahul Raj? Maya saying it's okay for you? Shall I proceed? Babu okay? Shivakumar okay? Snegit okay? Sai, Rahul Raj? Can I proceed to the next problem? For you only I showed the first problem, the previous problem. Okay, now I'll move to the next problem. Okay, Rahul Raj? I'm moving to the next problem. This is how we solved it. See now, see this problem. Determine the AP whose third term, see, they are saying third term, they are given third term, they are giving, I'll put it here. Third term is 5. They are giving like this. Okay? Third term, they are giving us third term as 5. What third term? See this problem. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. See here, third term is equal to 5. Okay, or else I'll do it here. See here, they have given third term is equal to 5. Third term is 5. What will be third term? A plus 2D is the third term. Okay, see the terms will be, see here, I'll write here. What are the terms? A plus D, A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, goes like this. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term. You know this, no? You understand this. So what is the third term? Third term is A plus D. Therefore, third term is A plus 2D is equal to 5. I put this equation 1. Then seventh term. Okay, they are given as seventh term. Seventh term will be what? A plus 6D is equal to 9. This is the second equation. Now we'll solve as linear equations. Linear equations 1 and 2 we'll solve and find out what is A. Clear? See, I'll do like this. See, I'm putting here equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus 2. A minus A. This is minus. This is also minus, and this is also will be minus. Minus A will get cancelled. Plus 2D minus 4D will give you minus 4D. That is equal to 5 minus equal to minus 4. Or minus will get cancelled. D is equal to 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. So you are getting D as 1. See, D is equal to 1. D is equal to 1. Then we will find out what is A. The form we put this equation A plus 2D is equal to, take up the first equation. Now D is 1. That is A. Substitute the value of D in this equation. 2 into 1 is equal to 5. Or else A plus 2 is equal to 5. Or A is equal to 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Therefore, D is equal to A is equal to 3. You are getting D is equal to 1. Now the required AP will be, how it will be? The required AP will be A is 3. So it will be 3. Then next one will add 4. Then next one will be 5. Then next one will be 6. Then etc. 7, etc. Babu, Snegit, Shivakumar, Adit, Sai, Rahul Raj, Chaudhary. Have you understood this problem? Rahul Raj, have you understood this problem? The problem is determine the AP. See the problem here. Suppose if you are not seeing this, I'll write it here. See, determine the problem is like it is in your determine the AP. Determine the AP whose third term is 5. Thank you, Baba. Third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. This is the problem which I have solved it. Rahul Raj, it's okay. Sai, Babu, Shivakumar, Snegit, all okay? All okay? Shivakumar okay, Snegit okay, Sai okay. Thank you. Rahul Raj, Chaudhary, are you there? Chaudhary? Chaudhary? Okay, shall I proceed to the next problem? Shall I move on to next problem? Rahul Raj, I'm going to the next problem. See, this problem is saying less. See, check. This problem states like this. Check whether. Yes, Rahul Raj. I'm not receiving it. Thank you, Rahul Raj. Okay. Thank you, Rahul Raj. Check whether 301 is a term. 301 is a term of the list of numbers it is 5, 11, 17, 23. See, this problem, you know what they're saying? They have given one number, see 301. You have to check whether it is in this series 5, 11, 17. You have to check it and tell whether this 301 is in this list. Clear? If 301 is in this list, then n should be in an even number. It should be a positive integer. If 301 should be a term of this list of numbers, then it should be a positive integer. That is the rule. Okay. Now, see how I'm doing this. No? See 5, 11, 17, 23. Here, what is A here? A is equal to 5. Clear? Then D. 11 minus 5 is 6. Then 17 minus, okay, it's 6. 6 is the, D is equal to what? 6. D is equal to 6. Okay. Now, I want to find out whether this 301 is in this series. Okay, good. So 301 is this way. Yes, it's not in the term, correct. So I want to check it up. That is, I keep it as, see, A to N is, I am keeping it as 301. If it is means it should become 0 or it should be a positive integer. So I'm keeping like this. So I can write this formula. An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So 301. An is equal to 301. A is what? 5 plus N minus 1 into 6. It will be 301 is equal to 5 plus 6N minus 6. Or 301 is equal to 6N minus 6 and 5 will give you minus 1. Clear? Then minus 1 I will take it to the other side. So it will be 301 plus 1 is equal to 6N. Or 302 is equal to 6n, or n is equal to 302 by 6. So okay, if I do like this, it will be 151 by 2, then it will be 3. So getting n is equal to 151 by 3, which is not a positive integer, Therefore 301, yes, 301 is in the AP. Yes, correct, Sai. Rahul Raj, correct. Shivakumar, Snegit. Yes, it is not in the AP. Since it is in the fraction and it's not a positive integer, n should be a positive integer. Always n should be a positive integer. So 301, so answer will be 301 is not in the, it's not a term of the given list. 301 is not a term. It's not a term of the given list. This will be the answer. Okay. So I'm moving to the next problem. Next example we'll go. We'll do the next problem. Okay. Good, Babu. Thank you, Babu. I'm going to the next problem. Yes. How many two-digit numbers? See here. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? The question is how many? See how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? I have to find out. See, first two-digit number divisible by 3 is how much? So, what is a two-digit number? It starts from 10. N's 99. See, what is a two-digit number? Two-digit number starts between 10 to 99. Am I right? 10 to 99. These are two-digit numbers. It starts from 10 and ends with 99. Two-digit numbers. So, first number divisible by 3 in the two-digit number will be 12 only. 12. First two-digit number divisible by 3 is 12. The next number should be 15. The next number should be 18. Okay. Likewise, it will go on like this. Yes. See how many two-digit numbers are not divided. Divided is you can divide and get a fraction, but it is divisible means exactly it should get 0. So it's exactly divisible. So 3 goes in 12, 4 into 3 is 12. Okay, Babu? Then 5 into 3 is 18. So exactly divisible. That's what we call it as divisible. Okay. Good, Rahul Raj. Good. Yes, Rahul Raj, you are right. Rahul Raj, okay. Thank you. So this is the difference, Babu. Divisible means exactly goes. See, 10 is divisible by 3, but you will get a fraction. 1 by 3 you will get a remainder. But no remainder. So exactly it is divisible. It's not divided. Divided means reminders can be there, but divisible means it should be exactly you will get the without reminder you should get. Okay, without reminder you have to get. So 12, 5, 18. Okay, likewise etc. It will be good 99. See 99 if you divide by 3 it will be 33. Clear, Sai? Okay, Sai, good. So how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So here what? A is equal to 12. Then D is equal to 3. Then last digit is what? AN. AN I told you last digit is called 99. Now we take this formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 99. A is 12. This N only we are going to find. So N minus 1 into D is 3. So 99 is equal to 12 plus 3 into N is 3N minus 3. Okay, 3 and minus 3. Then 12 minus 3 is 9. So it will be, see, 99 is equal to 12 minus 3 will be 9 plus 3n. Then we take this 9 that side. So it will be 99 minus 9 is equal to 3n, or 90 is equal to 3n, or n is equal to 90 by 3. That gives you 30. Clear? The answer is So there are 32 digit numbers that is divisible by 3. Yes, Sai, you're right. So 32 digit numbers. Answer will be 32 digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. 32 digit numbers. There are 32 digit numbers divisible by 3. That's the answer. Yes, Babu. Okay, Snehit, Chaudhary, Snehit, Shivakumar. Please, you have understood this problem? Sai, okay. Babu, okay. Rahul Raj, okay. What about Snehit, Shivakumar, then Chaudhary? Are able, okay. Babu, okay. Good, Babu. What about Chaudhary? Okay. Thank you, Babu. Thank you. I want to know about Chaudhary, Snehit, Shivakumar. I'm going to move to the next problem. Or understood this problem? Yes, Shivakumar. Thank you, Shivakumar. Snehit, okay. Snehit, Shivakumar. Thank you. Chaudhary, are you there? Chaudhary, I'm proceeding to the next problem. If you have any doubt in this problem, I will explain to you. Is it okay for you? Shall I proceed? Okay. Now I go to the next problem. See here. Find the 11th term. See, they're saying find the 11th term. Find the 11th term from the last term. Find the 11th term from the last term. From the last term towards the first term. Of the AP. 10, 7, 4, etc. to minus 62. Find the 11th term. Okay. Now see, the minus 62 is the last term or AN. Okay. Clear. So see here, AP. This is 10 and minus 72. So here what? A is equal to 10. Difference between these two is what? D is equal to minus 3. D is equal to 7 minus 10 will be equal to minus 3. Then what is Lth or AN? AN is equal to minus 62. Clear? Now the formula is what? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Good, Rahul Raj. Very good. Rahul Raj, good. Good, Rahul Raj. So A plus N minus. So A will be 10 plus this AN is what? Minus 62. That is into N minus 1 into D is minus 3. Okay. D is minus 3. Clear? Okay. Now if you do this, it will be, now we'll solve this. You get minus 62 is equal to 10 plus minus 3n plus 3. Minus 3n minus the plus 3. Find the 11th term they are asking. 11 not know. See, we have to find first we should know the total number of terms, then only we can find, we have to minus that 11 and find out. Now the 11th is not a matter. First we have to find out the number of terms. The roll will come the next one, Babu. Next line, Babu. See, it is here, see, Babu. It's minus 62 is equal to 10 plus 3 is 13 minus 3n. Okay, if it goes that side, it will be minus 62 minus 13 is equal to minus 3n, or equal to minus 75 is equal to minus 3n. This minus will get cancelled. Then it will be 75 by 3 is equal to n. So you get is 25. So now total number of terms now is what? See, I put here. Now see here. Okay. So now you know n is equal to 25. Clear? Babu, now the roll of 11. They are asking you to find the 11th term. First, total terms is how much? 25. That 11th term should be from the last term. So from last to first, totally 25 terms. They are coming reverse from 25. So which term will come, you have to find. That will be 25 minus 11 will give you 14. Then 14 plus 1. The actually 11th term from the last term will be 15th term. See here, I'll write 11th term from the last term will be 15th term. You know why 15? See, n is totally, imagine, totally 25 these things are. So one, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that, 13, 14, 15, like that. So the last term is 25. So you have to minus 25 minus 11 will come 14. It will be last term 25 minus 11 plus 1 will be the answer. So 14 plus 1, that is 15th term only you want to find out. Now understood this? So 15th term. So we will find out the 15th term. So 15th term will be here. So A15 will be, okay. So we'll find out what is, say, 15th term, what it comes. A15 we need. A2, that is A is 10 plus 15 minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 3. Okay. So it will be like this. 10 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. Okay. 14 into minus will be minus 42. Minus 42. This 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into minus. That is 10 minus 42 minus 32. Clear? So now therefore the 11th term will be is equal to minus 32. The 11th term from the last term, 11th term from the last term will be, that is 11th term from the last, it will be minus 32. It's not 11th term, 11th term from the last term will be minus 32. Tell me if it is difficult, again I'll explain to you. If there is any problem, I will again explain to you. But Ravraj, you are right. You have done. Babu, Snehit, Shivakumar, Chaudhary, Sai. Sai, do you understand this problem? Babu, you want me to teach again? I'll explain to you again. Snehit, okay? I'll again explain. See, find the 11th term from the last term towards the first term. You forget those one. Okay, no problem, Babu. I'll wait. Okay. Please copy it. Thank you, Babu. Thank you. Snehit, okay. Shivakumar. Shivakumar, is it okay for you? Shall I proceed? Chaudhary, are you there? Thank you, Babu. With pleasure. Okay, I'll just proceed, okay? To the next problem, we'll see. Okay. See, a sum of rupees 1000 is invested. We'll give the example, your book example, ninth example, book example, ninth. We are doing the book example, ninth one. So we are doing this book. A sum of rupees 1000 is invested at 8% simple interest per annum. Calculate the interest at the end of each year. Do these interests form an AP? If so, find the interest at the end of 30 years, making use of this. Okay. See, sum at 8% simple interest per year. They wanted to calculate it for 30 years, but they want to know whether these interests form an AP, whether it is an AP. So, okay. See, formula for, see, I'm writing here, formula for simple interest. Simple interest formula for 1 year is equal to, P R P into, sorry, I'll put this. So it will be P into R into T by 100. This T is time. For 1 year means T will be 1. For 2 years means T will is equal to 2. For time is 3 years means you have to put T is equal to 3. So T only alone will vary. Is it clear for you? So for simple interest for 1 year, see what is the principal? Principal is 1000. R is equal to 8. Then T is equal to for first things. So for first year. So for 1 year. So SI for 1 year. Simple interest for 1 year. That is equal to P into R into T means 1000 into 8 into 1 by 100. Clear? Now this two zeros will go. 10 into 8 into 1 will be 80. So you get, for the 1 year, you get the interest as what? Interest as 80. Now we'll do for the simple interest for the 2 years. For 2 years, SI for 2 years, it will be 1000 into 8 into 2 by 100. Why I am putting 2 here? For 2 years. I am calculating it for 2 years. So likewise, these two zeros will go, this two will go. 10 into 80, 80 into 2 is rupees 160. Rupees 160. Likewise, I do for SI for 3 years. 3 years will be what? 1000 into 8 into 3. Why 3? 3 years divided by 100. I'll cancel this 2. 80 into 2 is rupees 240. Likewise, you can calculate for 4th year, 5th year, 6th year. See, now see this. First year interest is 80. Second year interest is 160. Third year interest, what? So, now, okay. Okay. Now it will be, see here. So, it forms a, it's an AP. So it will be AP. Okay. So this will be an AP. 80, 160, where the common difference is okay. Again, I'll put it here. Okay. It's okay. Okay, I'll bring this. Now you see what I have put it here, 80, 60 and this thing. So this forms an AP. 80, 160, 240. So here what? A is equal to, now what, see at the end of, they want for at the end of 30 years. So this forms an AP, the interest forms an AP. See 80, 160, 240, likewise etc. it goes. So here what? A is equal to 80, D is equal to 160 minus 80 is equal to 80. Okay, now what do they want for 30 years? So they want for 30, that is AN is 30. Thank you, Babu. Thank you, Babu. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, Babu. So A equal to 30 will be A plus N minus 1 into D. A is what? 80 plus N into 1 minus, okay, this N is what? 30. 30 minus 1, say I'll write here, is equal to 80 plus 30 minus 1 into 80. Clear? So that is equal to 80 plus 30 minus 1 is 29. 29 into 80. Okay, clear? That will be 80 plus 2320, that is equal to 2400. Clear? Is it okay for you? Do you have any problem? See, I'll handle this, the interest for the first year, interest for the second year, then interest for the end of the third year. So this forms an AP. This forms an AP where A is equal to 80, D is equal to 80. How I'm getting this? Bracket 160 minus 80, you get that. Clear? Now you want to find out the 30th term. Tell me whether it's okay, everybody has understood this problem. Yes, Rahul Raj, okay, thank you. Babu, okay. What about Snehit, Shivakumar, Sai? Yes, Sai, okay. Shivakumar, okay. Snehit, okay, thank you. Shall we go to the last example? Example 10, the last example. Shall we go to that? Okay. So we'll be doing this, the last problem as example 10. Tomorrow we will do the exercise 5.2 exercise. There are 20 problems are there. Okay. Yes, 20 problems are there. We'll do the exercise tomorrow. But today with this this example, the last example, we can finish it off. Okay. See here, in a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants. See, there are rows, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, like it goes on. So, the first row, 23. First row is 23. First row is equal to 23. They keep first row is equal to 20. 23 row, see, first row, they keep 23. Then second row, this rose plants 21. Then third row is 19. Likewise it goes on. The last row, they do not know what last row number is 5. See, first row 23, second row 21, like that. They want to know how many rows are there. They want to find out how many rows. You know that what they are asking, how many rows there means they want to know about small n. They are asking you number of rows. That you have to find out in the equation small n. See, the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? They want to find out this one. But here an is equal to what? See here, an they are giving us what? The last one will be 5. The an they are giving the value as 5. Now you know a is equal to 23. N you do not know. N you have to find out. D you know. D is what? Minus 2. D is equal to minus 2. See, an is 5. A is 23. N is, you don't know. You are going to find out the n. Then you know D is minus 2. The difference 21 minus 23. So I am substituting this here. It will be like this. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is an? An is 5. A is how much? 23 plus n minus n you do not know. N only you are going to find into d into minus 2. That is equal to 5 is equal to 23 minus 2n minus 1 and minus 2 will become plus 2. Okay, then 5 is equal to 23 plus 2 is 25, then minus 2n. Minus 2n. Then 25 as good, Babu, you are right. So 5 minus 25 is equal to minus 2n, or else minus 20 is equal to minus 2n. This minus minus you can get cancelled. Then it will be 20 by 2 is equal to n. Okay, then 10. Then how many rows are there in the flower bed? Means there are 10 rows. There are 10 rows. 10 rows are there. Clear? There are 10 rows are there. Thank you, Babu. Snehit, Shivakumar, Sai. Sai, thank you. Babu, thank you. Shivakumar, thank you. Snehit, thank you. So with this, all the examples are over. Tomorrow, we will solve the exercise 5.2. In the exercise 5.2, there are 20 problems are there. There are 20 problems are there. We'll take 5 problems at a time and we'll solve. Okay. We only have the exercise 5.2. Tomorrow, we'll solve the exercise 5.2. All the 20 problems, we'll start doing it. Okay. Thank you, Sai. Babu, thank you. Good day, good night. Good night, Sai. Babu, good night. Babu, thank you. Snehit, thank you. Shivakumar, thank you. Rahul Raj, thank you. Rahul Raj, thank you. Yes, Rahul Raj, thank you. Babu, thank you. Sai, thank you. Thank you, Sai. Chaudhary, are you there? Thank you very much, Chaudhary. Snehit, thank you. Today there will not be any science class. Only with this max today is over. Today there will not be any science class. With this it is over. There will not be any science class today. Today no science class. So with this it will be over. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Good night. Thank you, Babu. Babu, Snehit, Sai, everybody good night. And today with this class it is over. No science class. No science class, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you all.